Come here. So, who's your guy? This one you are.
Wants to play.
Yeah.
Yes, like this. Perfect.
What? Show me. He has very nice.
This is nice.
You are nice.
Sunny, do you friendly with any of the slaves down by any chance?
Not really friendly, but okay. If the sparrow, we go down and do it.
I'm sorry, I forgot it.
Oh really? Then we go down and do it. Once the sparrow is finished, we go down and do it.
But you can have it with your own place. No problem. What has happened is strikers happened, and then my friends got there, they did that.
So tell us something about your photo shoots. For what cause and for what organization you're doing this?
This is for Pause. Pause requested me that they are. This is for Pause, and Pause is an organization that helps animals, plants, and all kinds of welfare society for them. And I think when they asked me to shoot for them for their calendar and to promote their cause, I think it's a great work that they're doing. So anybody would be ready, and I was ready as well to do something like this for them. I have to just pose with my dog and just promote the cause by saying that please take care of your animals and love them. If they are yours or somebody else's, doesn't really matter.
How much you think the animals are important for our environment?
How animals are important for environment? I think apart from animals, plants, whatever it is, I think they all are important for environment because we are a society together. We all live together, and we should live as friends, as family. It doesn't really matter kind of what whether they're animals or they're plants or they are insects or they are whatever. I think it's
NGOs or something? In your
well, I support whoever I feel is doing great work. Pause definitely is doing good job. There are many other NGOs that I'm associated with, and I think whoever's doing good jobs, we should be always helping them.
So tell us about your projects, the further projects.
I have a few films that are coming up, a couple of Bollywood projects as well, so and some theatre work also. I have two of my dance musicals that are also coming in the month of September, and 5 Bollywood films. I'm sure you're going to look forward to them.
Last year you won National Achievement Award. Do you have any expectations this year?
Well, last year I was fortunate that I won the National Achievement Award. I have no expectation this year because I feel awards are just recognition to what you do. I just believe in doing good work. And if it is recognized to an award, why not? And if it's not recognized to an award, it's also fine because I think when people love and people say that they appreciate the work, that's what is most important for me.
So any live performance we are going to see in future?
Yes, my dance musicals which are coming up in September, you will see me dancing on stage and you will see me promoting mythology.
Which new dance form you are working for?
New dance form, nahi really, but I think projects that I'm working on, I'm really looking forward to working on is my next dance musical. It is based on promoting one more different NGO and it's based on Greek mythology. So uske upar you'll see something completely new and different.
So, any international projects?
इंटरनेशनल में नथिंग एज ईयर आई थिंक नेशनल में इतना हो जाता है टाइम निकल जाता है इंटरनेशनल जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है बट अभी आई थिंक हिंदुस्तान में ही वी आर काइंड ऑफ लिटिल मोर ऑक्यूपाइड इफ समथिंग कम्स अप देखेंगे
सर योगा के ऊपर आपको क्या करना है सभी योगा डे आने वाला है आपके क्या प्रिपरेशन करते हैं आपकी लाइफ में कितना योगा है
वेल योगा मैं काफ़ी सालों से एवरी डे करता आ रहा हूँ मैं मेरी वाइफ मिलकर साथ में योगा करते हैं एंड आई थिंक योगा इज समथिंग दैट ऑलवेज कीप्स यू फिट हेल्दी एंड स्पेशली डांसर इट कीप्स मी वेरी वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल and one of my most favorite forms of exercising and that is yoga. Though I also believe that apart from yoga you should also do many other forms of exercise because they all are different ways of helping you stay fit.
Any dance form which is similar to yoga?
Dance forms is similar to yoga. I think many dance forms have similarities. In my Latin American ballroom dancing, I feel Rumba has got a lot of similarities with yoga because there are a lot of stretching which is required, a lot of long extensions, movements which are required in Rumba, which is a Latin American ballroom dance, and it has similarities to do with yoga.
In which reality show we are seeing you now?
I just finished with Let's Dance in Doordarshan, which was in the month of January, February. अभी कुछ ही महीने खत्म हुए हैं उसको. So थोड़ा break हो जाए तो अच्छा रहता है टीवी से.
Thank you, sir.
You have to have hold this and tell them that the sparrows are vanishing, so we should adopt the sparrow homes and protect the sparrows to the medium. This is the project which you are promoting.
नीचे हो गया?
Just a minute, huh? Just a minute. मेरा भी video है. Done.
PAWS ने एक campaign launch किया है where we are talking about Save the Sparrow. All of you, I request that you all please adopt sparrow homes like these and please help to save sparrows.
Can you just repeat once, please? Yeah.
PAWS has launched a new campaign which is talking about Save the Sparrow. I request all of you to please adopt these sparrow homes and save all the sparrows.
Thank you. So, sir, tell us something about the cause you're having a photo shoot right now.
Two reasons why I'm here for the photo shoot. One is definitely to promote PAWS. PAWS is an organization that promotes plants and animals and their welfare. And they're shooting for the calendar, so I'm hoping that for next year we'll be promoting a lot more of saving the plants and animals. Plus they have launched this new campaign for Save the Sparrow, and I request all of you to please adopt these sparrow homes so that you can save all the sparrows.
What are your precautions and actions to save sparrows?
Well, I think now I've been gifted this. I'm going to just put it up in my house for sure. My son is going to be very happy because he's going to find something new. He was looking for this some time back and I didn't know where to get it. So now PAWS has given it to me. So thank you so much to PAWS.
An NGO had removed a rule that there should be no kite flying because it's harmful
True.
to birds. So how much you support this idea?
I do support it because I feel that some things are going to harm our society and our people who will be live with and animals and birds that are part of our society. I think it's not a very good idea to do that, even if it is whether it is to fly kites or even when during Ganpati Visarjan time we say don't do certain things not good for the water and the and animals living in sea. So I think we should, as far as possible, do things which are good for our society and our people.
Are you supporting any NGO, any particular NGO?
There are many NGOs I support, and I believe that whichever NGO is doing great work and are encouraging people to understand the society around us, I think we should always support them. Be it an NGO like PAWS or be it human welfare societies, I think whoever it is, if they are doing great job, we are always there to help them.
So last year you won the National Achievement Award. So you have any expectations this year?
Last year, yes, National Achievement Award did come my way. I would just like to thank the Government of India for doing that. But I don't really have any expectations in terms of awards. But I think awards are a part of recognition of what you do. And if something comes this year, great. If it doesn't come, I think appreciation is what's important.
So you have started many institutes and recently you started a ballroom institute, right? So something about that in those institutes, how they are working and what are new ideas about it?
Well, right now we have 9 branches in Mumbai. We have 6 branches all over the country and 3 out of the country as well. So I think ballroom dancing has always been there. It's a classical dance form. It's a classic dance form, and I think it will always remain. As a dancer of ballroom dancing, I can just do my bit to promote it, and that's what I'm doing.
The a yoga day is going to come. So you would like to say anything about the similarity between yoga and dancing?
Yoga, I think dance in many ways has been inspired from yoga, and it's been about 25 years I've been doing yoga, and I try my best to do it every day, though I think I still manage to do it like 4 times a week. But it's something that always keeps me flexible, gives me strength, it gives me a lot of stamina as well to keep doing my dancing for a long, long time. And many dance forms in ballroom do have similarities with yoga as well, so I think we have some connection with yoga.
So your fans are waiting to see a single performance from you. So when we are going to see that?
I think you'll see me in the month of September. I'm promoting this, doing this new show, dance musical that I'm coming up with for another NGO, and where you'll be seeing me dancing. Yeah.
So any message to viewers about the plants and animals, saving them?
My message to everybody is that how the Plants and Animal Welfare Society PAWS is doing great work. Please understand what they're trying to promote and just help them. If you can't really help them, don't kind of try to stop them from anything, but just be there to support. I think that's what is most required.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.